Daddy, you're messing up my cookie.
What?
You're messing up my cookie. That's my friend. That's my best friend.
Oh,
You're
man.
messing up my cookie.
Oh, okay.
My cookie.
Can I give you one of these? Can I see that one? Yes, you have. Yeah, some slide it to the top. Right through the hole, line it up. That's it. Just let it outside.
Pass me the red box. Let's see. Good enough? Close down. Yeah. Thank you. Alright. Just get it ready for a cookie though, alright? I want you to be her assistant. Just get it ready for her, okay? Did it get to the hole?
It
'Cause it
did,
did-
but like it's like.
Okay, yeah, then move the, yeah, there you go. I think it's starting to go now. Keep going.
Okay.
I think you got it. Yeah. And then when it stops turning, just stop. So, yeah, don't you make it too tight. If it stops turning, yeah, just, yeah, let's do it now, just in case we got to unscrew it later. Alright. Let's move these.
It has so many parts. You
Make sure it's not.
Again.
swimming again. Tough cookie.
Shower. Mom.
Kind of like just like hit it with your palm. You don't do it like that. Just gotta hit it.
Ah.
Yeah, there you go. You taught me that?
Oh, okay.
Give me another one. Give me another one. Yeah, pound it. Yeah. Again. Just keep pounding it.
Mom, stop taking my foot.
Huh? Got it?
The piece of this would be finished.
So this is what we are at right now. We stopped filming because we need someone to hold the camera. And I wasn't available. Hold this camera too.
At this point, I volunteered to help out so we can do it faster.
So this is what we are at right now. We stopped filming because we need someone to hold the camera. And I wasn't available. Hold this camera too. At this point, I volunteered to help out so we can do it faster.
and I have no one to hold the camera, so I'm gonna put the camera
Once
away.
you get to this point, the bed is almost ready. It's halfway done because these are easy to put together. All right, I missed some of this filming on this side. Look at my baby having fun. He's all in there.
She's gonna film my face, just my face. So you just pull it out like this.
It takes us about 2 hours, 20 minutes to put this bed together. The beginning that's the only hard part, to figure out how to read the menu.
I can't believe that. I'm so excited.
I only bought 2 mattresses. I need to make another trip to IKEA and get 2 more so I can double the beds. For now, I'm just gonna put 1 in each side. Then later on, I can just double it. Yay, the bed is ready. I bought this table for my son and that bookshelf at IKEA, and also the light. It's all in IKEA, and he's still in diaper. He's only 1 year old. This is how the rooms look like. We end up moving. But this is how it looks like. It's a beautiful bed. I love it, and the kids love it. Make sure you double the mattress. Yeah, to make it a little bit higher. This is it. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.